Hey guys, Eddie here from The Mansionist, and today's story is about WT Architecture Studio's design of a home in a beautifully isolated Scottish setting. At the south of Cairngorms National Park in Scotland, what used to be an old Victorian home is now a contemporary temple, built to absorb the astonishing landscape. The old house and surrounding farm buildings have now been restored by WT Architecture Studio and have been transformed into a masterpiece buried partially in the hillside. The space is furnished with bespoke pieces like this majestic dining table or this relaxing area. At first glance, you might see 3 stories and a roof, but look deeper at the materials used to construct this century-old building, and stories of the Scottish landscape begin to unfold. How about you? What do you think of this building? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow The Mansionist on all our platforms. Stay tuned for new stories. See you next time.